Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Gmail notifications not working Android. So if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and then go for the apps and scroll down again and just simply try to find the Gmail over here and just simply select Gmail. And now from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here notifications. Just simply select this one. So in order for you to fix all of the issue, just make sure everything over here is toggled on and you should be able to fix it. But if it doesn't, just simply go back to the top left and now just simply select storage and just simply tap on clear cache and clear data and you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix the issue. Another one is just simply go to the Google Play Store and then search for the Gmail over here and just make sure you are running the latest version. And when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And there you go. See ya.